Welcome back to my channel with Lupita y Dem. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate that. I hope you like what you see today. Now, just know that this is a little bit different, okay? I will be unbagging or unboxing. It depends how my wallet comes in. Yes, you heard that right. It is my wallet. So I finally got my wallet. I got this for my birthday, but it didn't arrive on time. It arrived today, but I don't care as long as I have a wallet. So this wallet was given to me by my sister. So yeah, and I never open it like this, but just for the purpose of the video, because I don't want to flip it and turn it. My information is there. So yeah. Now, before I continue, I really hope you like what you see, like I said. But hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you like this video at the end, give me a thumbs up. It will really help my channel a lot. So, let's see what's in here. First of all, I'm going to bring out my sister's gift. My other sister, not the one that purchased the wallet. Okay, good. It's sealed because we had ordered her some earrings, and it was 4 of them, and only 3 came in on time. We gave them to her. Our birthdays are close, really close together. Mine is on the 10th, hers is on the 11th. So her gift actually arrived on time, but it was missing this one. So just so you guys see, and you guys don't stay thinking or asking yourself what was in that little bag. So it is this earrings. She is into she has always loved earrings, but right now she's into like food earrings or cactus earrings and things like that. So these are the ones we got her. I think they're pretty nice. And the ones she already opened, she loved them so much. So I'm hoping she loves these as well. Now let's put them back in there. As soon as she gets home, I'm going to give them to her. And yeah. So me and Jamie, my sister, we purchased these. And then for my sister, Rosie, and you want to hear something funny? My other sister, which is the one who I bought the earrings with, we went half and half. Her birthday is also this month. So all 3 of us were all from June. There you go. So here is my present. Okay, so it is an unboxing. This looks nice. Now, for those of you that have been following me, you do know why I got this wallet. I told my sisters, if you guys are going to give me anything, give me a wallet. And they were like, okay, well, send us which one you want. So I sent them 2 that I wanted. And this is the one they chose. So let's see which one it is. Well, actually, this one was bought from my sister, Jamie. My sister, Rosie, she gave me $300 for the renewal of my work permit, which I appreciate a lot. So, the box, I like it. I'm going to use it for my stickers. I'm thinking this will be nice. I don't know yet exactly, but I'm gonna use it. I love it. I like it. It's nice and sturdy. So let's see. This is a huge wallet. It's way bigger than my old wallet. Look, guys, I do not use a purse. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I use. I don't like purses, okay? I made myself a Harry Potter tote bag. So I made this I was making masks and I found this fabric and I was like, this is not for masks. This is for something else, and I decided to make myself a tote bag. And for the size of the wallet, I don't think I'm gonna have any problem. So this is where it's gonna go. I just have to iron it. It's like I put it everywhere. I just go like this and like, okay, let's put it away. Yeah, that's where my other wallet was. Anyway, I don't want to think about it anymore. Let's open it. Let me first show you guys how it looks. So it is with the zipper. It is not, of course, not 100% leather. I wish I had like a description of the material that it's made of, but I don't. So yeah, let's see the opening. It does come with envelopes and everything that you need for a budget, but you already know that I have my own envelopes. I was just waiting for the wallet. So I do not know what I'm gonna do with these. Okay, so it does come with cash envelopes. Okay, it comes with the pen. It is okay. The writing, it's in some other language, which I don't know. I'm gonna open it to see if I leave it or remove it. Yeah, I don't need a marker. And I think it's permanent, which is good, but no, I don't. I can use it for something else. So yeah, it comes with the pen, marker. Sorry, mark. I keep saying pen. And then these are the cash envelopes that comes with. It comes with one. I'm still gonna show them to you in case you're interested, even though Amazon, I've applied 2 times for I think it's called affiliate, something like that, to where I get a percentage or points, or I don't know exactly how it works, but every time you click on a link that I leave down below, if it's with Amazon, like I wanted to make some profit out of it, but I've tried to apply 2 times, and the 2 times they keep telling me no. They say that my content is not a good content because it might have bad words or stuff like that, which I don't remember saying a bad word, but anyway, I've tried 2 times and I give up. I'm still gonna leave you the link, okay, in case you guys like the wallet. So it comes with one, I'm sure it's more. Yeah, it's more. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 envelopes. I did notice a couple of them are repeated. I think it's only these 2. Oh no, I thought so, but no, they are different. They're all different. Okay. They seem to be sturdy enough. It has a little pocket to where you can close it if you want to put coins in there, like this. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Honestly, I do not use them. What do you guys think? What should I do with these? Should I just give them away? Well, of course, I'm not gonna throw them, but do you guys think I should just do a giveaway and give these out? What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below, okay? Because I am not gonna use them, and I do not want to throw them. So it comes with this, so I can just hook this to here. But I know I'm not gonna need it. I don't carry anything in my hands. Now, I wish I'm gonna do a comparison with another old an old wallet that I have. So I've had this wallet for a long time. The reason why I didn't use this one is because I cannot put my cash envelopes here. They're big and then it doesn't have the rings and I like hole punch. So this is why I didn't use this one. But look at this. Okay, this is my hand on top of it. It is wide. Let me measure it so you can have an idea. Okay, so it is about 8.5 inches by 5 1/3. Okay, so 8 by 5, something like that. Okay, not the exact measurements, is a little bit more than 8 and a little bit more than 5, but just so you have an idea. Okay, so it does come with these pockets here to where you can put your ID or whatever you want, and you don't, like if you just want to open your wallet and show people, here's my ID, like you don't have to be taking it out. So it has 6 pockets in here, 3 and 3, and then this side is nothing, but it does have the zipper. Okay, and then it comes with more envelopes, and it has 6 more pockets in here for cards or whatever you want to put in there, and that is it. Okay, I like the fact that this little baggie is big for my coins. What else do I be having in the wallet? Oh my god, so these are different. Okay, it does, okay, they all say the same. I thought it was gonna be like a different quote on each envelope, but no. These envelopes are nice. So it does have like a little tracker in the back, so it gives you just, you put your category, you budget, your actual. So I'm guessing like you can do like for phone, credit card, another credit card, or bills, the gas, the light, car payment. These are nice envelopes. I like these. So let me know what can I do with these envelopes. And then it comes with this. Okay, so here are the labels for the envelopes, and this is the budget sheet that comes with. They're nice. It's thick paper. Yeah, okay. Okay, so if I give away the envelopes, I'm gonna give them away with the same budget sheets that comes with. Okay, so let me know. I leave it up to you guys. Probably I can do half and half and do two giveaways in one. I don't know. Leave me your ideas. I wanted the wallet, and that's what I am gonna use. I do think personally, and I should have paid attention to the size. I think it's too big for what's inside. This one doesn't come off. Yeah, it doesn't come off, but it's gonna work for now. See, like this one is, if this could stretch more, that would be wonderful, in my opinion. Okay, but it is what I have. It is what I chose, and I'm gonna have to get used to it. I remember when I got my other wallet, I was and it did had a little things I didn't like, but then I got used to it and now I miss it. I was like, you're gonna be like, why didn't you get the same one? Well, I wanted something new. So these are my envelopes. I mean, in the long run, now that I see it, it is good that the wallet is big, because my envelopes, but I had the other same size on the other ones. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna put my envelopes in so you guys see how it looks. And some of these envelopes are the ones that you guys saw me making. Oh no, they're the ones that you guys saw me making. They're not hole punched yet. There's these. I have to hole punch these. And these are on my store, lupitassticky.shop.net. If you guys are interested in these envelopes. Okay, what do you guys think of the wallet? Let me know down in the comments. I have to put a pen in here, and I have to set up my envelopes, with my budget sheets and all that stuff, but that will be another video. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you think it's too big, if you like this video, anything. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.